here our YCC chickens in Reedsby. As you can see, this is the processing room where they come and they cut up all the chickens that come through. As you can see, you've got blood, debris on the chopping boards, on the floor, and over the area. As you can see, the Atmosphere products put into their foamer.
We're taking a pre-washed swab to determine ATP reading. Take a 15-second countdown.
So this is a Peter from No Germs.
Yeah, with an ATP meter, which is the commonly used instrument in food as well as in the medical profession. It's a quick ready record without sending swabs away or tests away to have analysed in a laboratory. So what this tells us is there's the reading there, 4,662.
Okay. Here we are, Mark from Hygiene Solutions. We supply the Atmosphere Forte services. Does that foam similar to what you're using?
Foam good. Foam very good.
Excellent. So it's breaking it down okay, similar, Mark?
Feels like it is.
Obviously the slime test at the end would be the biggest one.
Learning surface, it hasn't been pre-rinsed. The scour collects a lot of the fat and it sort of spreads it. So
yeah.
If we pre-rinse, we get a much better result, I think.
Okay.
That's a good result for a learning surface. It's been good. It's been very good.
So you would happy how it cleans?
I think it's a pretty good result, yeah.
How do you compare it about a chlorinated cleaner that you're using? Similar, same?
I like the foaming of this more.
On a dry surface area.
And the reason is I couldn't get a false reading because the reading you get with water, who knows what's in the water when it came in here through the drains that you've got. So whatever the product is that has been put on there, then the result should be reflected through this. Just exactly.
So as long as it doesn't come out at 8,000 to 1, we're sweet. So there you go, it's reduced it from 4,000 down to 11.
The end result, is it?
That's the end result.
Impressive. Yeah.
11. So what was it before, Peter?
4,662.